Hi friends, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of features on the application of Telegram. We will go to settings. In this page we go to apps, default apps, app settings. Here you are scrolling down until you find this window of Telegram as you see, and you will click. Here in this page of app info we go to first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache. Here you can turn on your airplane mode, and you can turn off your airplane mode again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your watching and your attention.